Hey guys, I'm vlogging and I was just thinking to myself, like, I'm low-key frustrated with my fucking self because I just be like, what the hell? If I did all the ideas that I have in my head or posted all the videos that I have, are you gonna cross the street or? Okay, I guess not. All the ideas and video ideas that I have in my head or just anything in general, my ideas are always like just on point. And I know me in the way that I like to do things and produce things, that it's definitely going to be like quality. Even if it's like 2 seconds, it's going to like be watchable, you know? So, I don't know. People always give me compliments on my stuff and like they praise me and stuff. And I'm just like, if only you knew, if only I was doing things to my fullest potential and you know, do it when I think about it, then I would be so much further than where I really am. Now I'm gonna say this and I don't want y'all to come for me in the comments, but I swear to God on my life that this is absolutely true. Like even the watercolor method that's out right now, I been did that a whole year ago and I have a wig till this day because I was just sitting on my bed. I mean more than a year ago, but like before it came out, I did it a year before it came out. And I was just like, sitting at home like, fuck, like, why didn't I post that video when I did that? And like a lot of video ideas that I see, I'm like, wow, great minds really do think alike, because I don't even know her and she did my exact look or my exact video idea or my exact concept. And I'd just be like, bitch, if only you did what you was really supposed to do when you had the idea come to you, you would be where you actually want to be. And it's so frustrating that I know this and I know I'm fully capable and I know I produce quality stuff, but like, what? Why am I not doing it? I have everything that I need. Nothing is wrong in my life. Nothing is holding me back. I'm not busy. I work from home. I have all the filming and editing equipment, all the hair, all the supplies, all the color. I literally have everything I need, but like, why am I fucking not doing it? And it's so frustrating. And I'm just like, what the fuck? Like, does somebody have my life on pause? Like, I'm so fucking confused. I don't understand. Am I the only one going through this? Like, I don't get it. So, I'm just trying to step my game up, and I know that I'm fully capable of doing so because my work speaks for itself. So, I just need maybe y'all help or encouragement or something. And I'm gonna post this even though I look like a whole bum. I just feel like it's better to let y'all know where I'm coming from and what's going on. So yeah, I don't know, just talk to me in the comments because I'm fucking confused. I don't understand what the fuck is going on with me, but it's frustrating. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video.